Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating core components. Get the latest GPU driver, then restart. Once done, set Windows to high performance and disable battery saver so background throttling stops. Next, open Valorant and change resolution, turn VSync off, and cap your FPS to your monitor's refresh rate to avoid tearing spikes. You do these first because they remove systemic bottlenecks. In short, fix drivers, power, and basic game limits before deeper tweaks. Once those basics are stable, you move into system tuning. Close background apps from Task Manager and Stop overlays that inject frames. Then, set your GPU control panel to prefer maximum performance and enable low latency. This reduces GPU clock fluctuation. Make sure you have at least 16 GB RAM. If not, increase the page file to 1.5 times RAM to avoid stutters from swapping. These steps smooth CPU/GPU handoffs and prevent memory-induced hitching in matches. Finally, fix network and fallbacks. Plug in wired Ethernet and set CoS or prioritize your PC for lower ping. Packet spikes often look like stutter. Enable Windows Game Mode and turn off full-screen optimizations for Valorant. EXE to reduce interruptions. If problems continue, gather logs, run a clean boot to isolate software conflicts, and reinstall Riot Vanguard or Valorant as a final step. If you still see hitching, use task logging to identify the process causing the spikes and address that specific culprit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.